So in this video, I'll be breaking down exactly I had made $3,000 trading Micron in exactly 24 minutes. Let's just straight into the video. So as you guys can see right here, on July 27th, 2026, I made $3,260 trading Micron, and this is exactly what I was looking for. You had a double top firm down on the lower time frames, a neckline breakdown, key levels all marked out with the indicator, volume cloud, everything we talk about every day inside of Discord. Let's just straight into it. So on this day inside of Discord, I said keeping an eye on Micron here as well, just staying around view op. If you get volume through a low of day, watch for Friday low PDL around 904. And here's what the chart looked like when I sent the screenshot inside of Discord. As you can see here on Micron, you're pretty much just chopping back and forth there, stuck around VWAP, stuck around 919, 922. Low of day was sitting around 914, and prior to low was sitting around 904 as we talked about in the post of the image. So zooming into Micron here, the 1 minute time frame, this is exactly what I was looking for when I took this trade. So I took two contracts. I took the 915 puts that expired July 27th, that same day expiration, and all I was looking for was this: a stop up of these swing highs right here, looking for the neckline breakdown towards low of day. And then you were looking for the low of day push towards around 904. And you took the instant drop through 904 and sold into these pushes down lower. And also one more thing we saw here inside of Micron was you were making a double top. You can see right here, one top, two top, and neckline breakdown. This is the exact pattern we're looking for intraday reversals inside of chat and inside Discord. So as you started breaking down here on Micron, you can see using the indicator, we had a change of character firing, showing that the structure is starting to shift back to the downside. And you may be wondering why these candles lit up as yellow. So one of the new indicators we built inside of option drops was the highlight high volume bars. So this will highlight volume bars that are 1.5x above the relative volume of the last 20 candles. You can customize it to your liking, but here's what it looked like in the volume. So just looking at the volume right here, as Micron was chopping around throughout the open from 8:30 a.m. Central to 8:57 a.m. Central, the volume was pretty light and pretty lackluster. But the second you broke down through at the time low of day around 914, look at the big spike of volume, clearly showing relative volume spike and conviction behind the move. If you guys have watched my channel for quite some time, I talk about volume very extensively and volume used when it comes to scalping and momentum. So once you broke down below low of day, you get a big volume bar. This candle pretty much took you right towards prior day low around 904, but then stopped there. So 904 is right around here at this candle. Again, highlighting the bars yellow, there's an uptick in volume. Then you broke prior day low around 904, marked in this region right here at the time. And then, uptick in volume down lower, uptick in volume down lower. And then as you start pushing down lower and lower, we have this next key level marked around 891 here on Micron. I sold my first contract here on Micron, the 915 puts right here around 891 on this trade, around 903 a.m. Central. As you start breaking down the target number one here, 891. And I sold my second contract up here as you came back up, started selling right here on this candle around 897. And ultimately Micron ended up getting more selling, another $30 drop from 891 down to 866, and ultimately 854 here on the day, just by using all the key levels and indicators here. Now, just zooming out to the 5 minute time frame, here's what the chart looked like. You guys can get more of a top-down approach. So again, same chart here. You can see clearly stuck in a box, chopping back and forth here the first 15, 25 minutes of the day. Again, big volume bar showing there's sellers entering the market here because there's a big uptick in volume. Uptick in volume right here. You also got the break of structure right here as you start breaking below 904, prior to low mark right here. Came straight down the key level marked down here at 891, selling into the key levels we had marked out. If you guys held runners, again, you held runners to target number 3 and 4 down here around 866 and 854 here on Micron stock. And this kept the risk reward very tight here as well. Again, turning on the short position drawing tool, entry around like right here 919, 920. Again, stops with these swing highs right here around high of day around 933. If my magnet tool would stop interrupting me. Highs stops down here, target down here on 903. Again, this gives you pretty much like a 1.7 hour trade on the first take profit down here. And if you sold down in the lows around here, that gave you a 3.5 hour trade here on Micron stock. And keep in mind, these contracts I took on Micron went from $11. I sold my first one at $29 per contract, the second one at $23 per contract. But at low, that's how the contracts hit nearly $55 per contract. So you could have made about 400, 500% here on this trade just by using the indicator and everything we talk about inside of option drops in Discord. So as you guys can see, we're here looking at Trade Deck. The chart's not loading right now, but as you guys can see right here, entry price at $11.45 per contract. Exit on average is around 26.43. Quantity took 2 contracts, 29 minutes. The fees were about $2. Entry at 8:39 a.m. Central. Exit at 9:08 a.m. Central to lock in nearly $3,000, 130% return here on Micron. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. If you guys didn't like it, I'm not sure to tell you, guys might not like free game, but hey, everything we talk about every day inside of Discord, indicators, levels, stocks. If you guys want more info, first thing in bio, tap in with me.